Y'all, I got a couple more of the Fetish lipsticks from Milani. You know, I've already tried Passion on for you. Go back and see in my other videos. Right now, we are going to try on Bitten. Bitten's a bad girl. This is actually, I don't know if this is in the Fetish line because this is actually one of those melts. I'll look it up. I'll put all the information down below. But let's just put this on because it's going to be wild, y'all. It's gritty. Why is it gritty? Is it supposed to be gritty? I don't hate it though. Yeah, the color went on beautifully. It just has a gritty feel to it. Look, you can even see the texture in here. I mean, what do we think about this? I'm going to look this up and get some more information because this is interesting. I really thought it was one of the other Fetish ones. Oh well, we'll try that one on too. But man, I kind of like it. Y'all have a wonderful day and God bless.